Today, I'll show you the absolute fastest way to grab a photo from a video in CapCut, whether you're working on your desktop or your phone. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to capture any frame you like and save it instantly as a standard image file, ready to share, print, or use in your next project. No exporting, no complicated steps, just a crisp photo from your video in a matter of seconds. All right, let's jump right in. We're using a straightforward screenshot method, which not only saves time, but also gets you the exact quality of the frame as it appears on your screen. So first, open your video in CapCut and head to the preview window. Here's where you'll see each frame of your video as you scroll through. Just like flipping to the exact page in a book you want to remember. What you want to do is move your playhead, a small vertical bar that marks the current spot, to the frame you'd like to capture. Take your time here. Maybe you want the perfect smile or a specific action shot. Don't rush. Scrub through frame by frame until it's just right. If you want a cleaner image without all the editing controls around the video, you can maximize your preview window. Go full screen if the app allows, or simply stretch out the window until the video takes up as much space as possible. That way, your screenshot won't include any distracting menus or buttons. This step is optional, but it makes a big difference if you want the image to look professional or ready to use right away. Now, here comes the key step: taking the actual screenshot. The trick is to use the built-in shortcuts that your device already has. If you're on Windows, press the Windows key plus Shift plus S. This launches the Snip and Sketch tool, letting you precisely drag around just the video frame you want. Think of it like tracing a box over your favorite moment. If you're on Mac, hit Shift plus Command plus 4, and again, you'll be able to draw over the area you want to capture. On iPhone or Android, use the physical button combo for screenshots. Usually power plus volume down, but some models use power plus home. You might need to hold these for a second until you see the screen flash or hear a click. Don't worry if it takes a couple of tries, especially on mobile. Once you've captured the screenshot, it gets saved instantly. On computers, it'll either be stored straight into your default screenshot folder or held on your clipboard. You can paste it directly into an image editor or a document if you need. On phones, it'll show up right in your photo gallery. Easy to access and share. It's that simple. You've turned a video frame into a JPEG or PNG file in just a few clicks. No need to mess with exporting or extra software. Your screenshot is ready and waiting. If you want a bit more control or want to crop the image further, you can open it in any photo editing app. But honestly, the method above handles 90% of situations beautifully. Don't worry if your first attempt has a bit of the interface showing. Just redo it full screen or crop it out. This method is perfect for reactions, memorable moments, thumbnails, or sharing snippets instantly with friends or on social media. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your results. And don't forget to subscribe for more CapCut tips and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.